Hello traders, welcome to my channel Binary Master. Today in this video I am going to be sharing most profitable binary trading cross robot. This cross robot can analyze market movements technically with higher accuracy. This cross robot catch very fast profitable price movement and gives you easy buy sell signals. This system easy to use, you can set up in only 5 minutes. If you use properly, this cross robot gives you 99% accuracy. Today in this video I will take live trade with my live account using this robot. We also provide signal on Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel for copy my trades, and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Now let's take some trade using this cross robot. Don't skip and watch the full video. Here we got a sell signal. Let's take the trade. Our trade will be a winning trade. Wait for another signals. Okay guys, here we got a buy signal. Let's place the trade and wait for result. Our trade will be a winning trade. Wait for another signals. Here we got a buy signal. Let's place the trade and wait for result. Our trade will be a winning trade. Wait for another signals. Here we got a buy signal. Let's place the trade and wait for result. our trade will be a successful winning. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and join free Telegram. See you on another video. Goodbye for today. Happy trading.